I've got
What did Mama got? A new bag. Wait.
Yeah.
All of it.
Oh, there's a present inside.
What is it?
Look! I got the ampao. Thank you. Look inside. Magic. Oh, lots of money. Oh. Oh. You can go back here.
Say Merry Christmas to Mama.
Merry Christmas.
You say Merry Christmas to Mama.
Oh,
Merry Christmas.
one for you.
Oh, no.
Oh, one for you. Wow.
Okay. No! I'm giving it for myself.
No for mommy because it came from them.
Ay, that's a big money. Give it to Pina.
Thank
Oh.
you. Oh,
Oh.
see? I got a Christmas. Very
Ay,
good.
baba.
Wait,
Bakit sinuli?
wait.
Kaya ko sa kanila yan.
What's that? Oh, that's for Kuya Clyde. Check it out. Check it out, Kuya Clyde. You have new clothes.
Yeah. Awesome.
Let me see. Oh.
Love it.
Oh, gusto niya yun. Polo shirt.
Mm.
Ano yan?
Ayan.
Pagod na mag-ano si Clyde. Pumunta na dito sa kama.
But I'll help you.
Help.
What is that?
Oh, what's that, Bana?
The pieces. No,
That's for Kuya Clyde,
it's
guys.
dominoes.
With the
Yeah,
flag.
dominoes with flags. I think that's from Auntie Shari.
I don't.
Yeah.
That's yours, Baba. That one's yours.
Yeah.
Ano masama yung maid ko sa basura?
Daddy, I don't know how to.
In the house na lang. In the house.
Daddy, can you? Can you make that from my
Wanna
house?
play that?
No, I don't want. Oh, clay. Too big. Clay.
Nako, clay na naman ha. Last clay you put it in my car.
There's another.
You made the mess.
Another one.
Naubos na yung bonus ng daddy nyo sa atin. Oh, nice.
Dad, you don't have gift, da?
Yeah, that's all the gift I got.
Check it.
You clean up
No, I think
Lego.
for Kuya
Naman.
Clyde.
That's for Kuya.
Lego naman. Are you kidding me right now?
Oh, look, Clyde.
It's big. What? What does it look like? Yeah.
Whoa!
This is huge. Here, Kuya Kwan. Yes.
It's a Minecraft.
That's huge.
Isis talaga.
Just gonna keep
Oh, pero ang gusto talaga.
What else do you have there, Bana?
I don't put this on trash.
No, I think we're missing one gift from
Check
for Mommy and Daddy yan. Okay, let me see. You open it.
Donut.
Donut.
What? Wait.
You got that.
Donut.
What's that? Open it.
Belt for daddy.
Don't remove it.
Oh, that's for Mommy. It's yo. Oh.
It's present for me. I don't keep this forever. I think you need to more space. Let's see. Don't worry. Good. See, Daddy, I make it properly because it's so
Ang talagang
awesome.
ang talagang paborito.
Minecraft kasi, Mama.
That's for Daddy.
Yeah, I finally got new belt. My old belt is
Broken.
all broken na.